Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur background on Snapchat. So first, let's start by opening this Snapchat app. Okay, so if you want to record a video or photo or snap, for example, and you want to make the whole background blur, here you can just click on this search column to search for the effect. And then click on the search bar at the top and type in blur background as the keyword. You can tap on enter, and as you guys can see here, there are lots of blurry background effects that you can select it for your videos. You can just choose which one, but you need to make sure that it's on the front camera so you can see that the your background will be blurred. So you can just choose the effect that you want, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.